I'm working in DaVinci Resolve and I'm trying to drag a transition onto two clips, but it's not working. It won't let me drop that transition. The reason for that is in this particular case, there's not enough footage at the end of this first clip or the beginning of this second clip in order to make the transition. So to address this problem, I need to trim these clips. So for my first clip, I'm going to just trim it back a little bit. And then for my second clip, I'm going to trim back the beginning, and then I'll remove the gap between the two. Now there should be enough footage to make that transition. And there we go. I can successfully drop the transition and make it happen between the two clips. Another way we could do this, and I'll undo what I've just done, undo the trimming of the clips as well, is if we select the two clips and then right-click our transition and say Add to Selected Edit Points and Clips, and we get a message that effectively says what I just said a moment ago. Here they say we have insufficient handles to apply the transition. If we choose the option to trim clips, it's going to do that trimming process and trim just enough to make that transition happen. And here's a final tip. If you find yourself applying the same transition repeatedly, you should right-click that transition and say Set as Standard Transition. So in my case, that's the cross dissolve. This little red bar indicates that it's my standard transition. So now if I want to apply this transition, I can use the keyboard shortcut, which we can find that out if we go to Timeline and look at Add Video Only Transition. Here you can see the keyboard shortcut for this action, which in my case, it's Option T. So knowing that, all I have to do is select my two clips and hold down that shortcut and it'll apply my default transition. To show that, I'm going to undo the transition as it currently exists, select my two clips, press Option T, choose the option to trim the clips, and there you go. You can see once again our transition was applied.